Dear student, before discussing the question and answer and the exercise of the chapter, let us summarize what we have studied in this chapter. First of all, we discuss about fibers, then two types of fibers, natural and synthetic fibers. So natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from nature, that is from plants and animals. And man-made fibers are known as synthetic fibers. A synthetic fiber consists of multiple units joined together to form a single unit called as polymer. Then examples of synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester, spandex, and we saw their properties as well as their uses. Then we discussed about plastic. The plastic are also polymers. In plastic, the arrangement of individual units may be linear or cross-linked. The linear are known as thermoplastic and the cross-linked are known as thermosetting plastic. Since some plastic can be molded into any shape after heating and they can be used for making varieties of objects of different shape and sizes. Then we saw the important types of plastic: PET, HDPE, LDPE, PVC, PP and PS. Then we discuss about the properties of plastic, that they are poor conductor of heat and electricity, they are insoluble in water, inflammable, and they do not corrode or rust like a metal. Then we saw the plastic tends to pollute the environment in serious way. That is, they hamper the recharge of groundwater. They are harmful to plants as well as animals and aquatic life also. And in the last, we saw the solution to the plastic pollution. That is, in that we saw that we have to reuse, recycle the plastic and say no to plastic. So these are the things which we discussed in the chapter. Hope the concepts are clear. Now we'll be discussing the exercise part, and in that first question is choose the correct option. First, which of the following is not a synthetic fiber? Answer is option number B, cotton. As we have already discussed, cotton is a natural fiber. Second, a synthetic fiber used for making fishing nets and strings of badminton and tennis racket. Answer is option number D, nylon. Third, which of the following is the characteristic of synthetic fiber? Answer is option B, wrinkle resistant. Which of the following is the property of plastic? Fourth, answer is option number D, all of this. Fifth, a plastic used as automobile battery casing. Answer is option number A, PP. Sixth, which of the following cannot be remolded after heating? Answer is option number C, melamine. Seventh, which of the following fibers are used for making conveyor belt? Answer is option number B, terraline. Eighth, which of the following fabric is waterproof? Answer is option number A, nylon. Ninth, polypropylene is used for making. Answer is option number D, all of this. And the last one, which of the following are harmful effects associated with plastic disposal? Answer is option number D, all of them. Now the next question is match the following. First, rayon. Answer is home furnishing, E. Second, PET. Answer is C, container for microwave cooking. Third, polyester. Answer is A, lightweight sail. Fourth, HDPE. Answer is B option, containers for bleaches and acid. Sixth, LDPE. Answer is poly bag. Next question which we are going to discuss is give one word for the following. First, a fabric also known as artificial silk. Answer is rayon. Second, the synthetic fiber used for making swimwears. Answer is spandex. But you can write nylon also. Both are correct. Third, lycra is the another name for spandex. Fourth, plastic that have heavy cross linking. Answer is thermosetting plastic. Fifth, the substance that cannot be decomposed by microorganism. Answer is non-biodegradable waste. Now students will be discussing question and answer, short answers and long answers, and this only you have to write in your FNB. First I will be saying the page number of the answer. Short answer is on page number 45. Second short answer A part again on page number 45. Question number 2 B part page number 46. Then question number 3 page number 49, and question number 4 page number 51, and question number 5 page number 50. These are all short answers. Now page number for long answers. Long answer 1 page number 46. Part 1 and part 2 are there on page number 47. So part 1 is on page number 46 and part 2 is on page number 47. Next, question number 2, long answer 2. It is on page number 48 and long answer 3 is on page number 49. Now let's discuss the question and answer. First, short question answer type. The first question of very short answer. What are synthetic fibers? Give 2 example. The answer is on page number 45. See the topic synthetic fibers. I'll read the answer. The fiber that are made by human beings are called synthetic fibers. Most synthetic fibers are obtained from coal, petrol and natural gas. A synthetic fiber consists of multiple units which are joined together to form a single unit called polymer. Rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, spandex are examples of the synthetic fiber. Got it? On page number 45. Next, question number 2, A part. Nylon threads are used for making fishing nets and climbing ropes. The answer is again on page number 45. See the topic nylon, and in nylon see the properties, and in that first point, it is elastic and does not lose strength even after repeated use. Got it? Properties. Now short answer question number 2 B part. Spandex is used in clothes that required string fitting. Answer is on page number 46. See the topic spandex, and in that see the property part. First point only, it has excellent elasticity which makes it suitable for use in clothes that require string fitting. Now the next question, question number 3 is page number 49. What is the question? What do the following stands for? PVC, LDPE and PS. See on page number 49 the plastic and their uses. In that, first LDPE, it is used for making poly bags, grocery bags and packing of food and bread. Second one, PVC, making pipes for sanitary fittings. And last is PS, thermocol, a form of PS which is used for making disposable cups and packing material for fragile items such as computer and television. Now short answer 4. It is on page number 51. What is the question? State any two harmful effects associated with the disposal of plastic. The answer is first point, page number 51. Plastic that buried prevent rainwater from seeping into the ground. This water forms muddy puddles on the surface. This also affects the plant growing in the area as they do not get enough water from the soil. And the second point, when plastic get burned, they produce toxic gases and smoke. Now, short answer 5. Question is, suggest any two ways for reducing the harmful effect associated with plastic disposal. The answer is on page number 50. See last paragraph. The few things that can be done to limit the harmful effect associated with plastic are 1, 2 and 3 point. Do not accept plastic bags when you go out for shopping. Instead, ask for paper bags or carry bags as a usable cloth bag with you. Reuse the plastic bag that you have at home. And the third point, do not throw plastic waste at roadside or in water bodies. Now we'll be discussing long question and answer. The first question is, write any 3 advantage and disadvantage of synthetic fiber. The answers are on page number 46 and 47. Advantage is on 46 and disadvantage is on 47. On page number 46, see the last paragraph. Advantages of synthetic fiber. Yes, you have to write all the points. Same way, on page number 47, see the topic disadvantage of synthetic fiber. You have to write all the 3 points. Answer number 2. Differentiate between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Give 2 examples of each. This answer is on page number 48. See the table 3.1. Difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. The whole table you have to write 1, 2 and 3 points. Now long answer number 3. Discuss the general properties of plastic with relevant application of the property in daily life. Student, the answer is on page number 49. See the topic general properties of plastic. In that you have to write all the properties: thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, solubility in water, effect of flame and reactivity. Okay. Now these are the long answers. We have already discussed short answers also. So if any problem, student, you can contact me.